Time check! Sawadee ka, Tokon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning, everyone!
Thank you.
Sawadee ka! Good morning, Philippines! Rise and shine! Wake up time. Morning, Teacher Maria. And I'm done with my makeup. Bon appetit! Cheers! Morning, Teacher Namtan! Ohayo gozaimasu! That's absent today? Kabandi ko Good morning, Teacher Ming! Jiao shang hao ni hao! Morning, Teacher Namtan! Ohayo! Tok dyan. Pala itong friend ko, teacher na teacher. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. New direction. Observe read. Insert all. Sentences. Daddy, give me your score. Cham tak danay. Ayun na. Okay, ready? Give me your score. Team Iktana. 18. Pry, Chindanay. 10. Kit, 19. Bill, absent. Frame, absent. Atawan, 17. Q, absent. Non, 17. Ken, 20. Excellent, Ken. Clap your hands to Ken. Deal. 17. Perm. 15. Chill. 16. Boom. Tanapon. 12. Gan. Nantachay. 7. Dream. Addison. 8. Jed. Jidsada. Absent. Mark. Kritin. Absent. James. Absent. Pro. Absent. Can. Absent. Mark. Absent. Focus. 20. Excellent focus. Clap your hands to focus. Tang. Tang. Tang is absent. 9. Not 18. L. Absent. Cow. 16. Garfield. Absent. Tamu. 7. 7. Toy. Absent. Mu. Mu. Mu ใช่ไหม 16. Asia. Absent. Mood. Absent. Cow. 5. New Year. 17. Nisakarn. Absent. Foam. Absent. Nong. Absent. New. Absent. Hey, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Ready? Give me your score. Cham, tak the 9. 19. Corn. Corn is absent. Kong Punasin. 18. Tiu Jirapong. 14. Panya. 6. Tak Wasipon. 10. Art Surawit. 8. Hemratchata. 14. Draft. 19. Diamond. Absent. EQ. Absent. Gan Kirati. 15. Ball. 16. Pay. 17. Hand is absent. Porping. 19. Pan Panatat. 19. Aran. 18. New Ratakit. 8. Aran. Aranya. 18. Bell. Absent. Mai. 19. Preo. Absent. An. Arisa. 19. Lukwa. Absent. Cake. 16. Muk Kanyawi. 18. Pim Wasana. 14. Nana. 19. Bam. 19. Rampan. 14. Byfern. 19. Gam. Cyrillac. 19. May. Absent. Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Morning. Hi. Hi, good morning, girls. Morning.ไปไหนอ่ะ Toilet. Can. อะไรนะ
เขายังชอบเอกสารสูง
เขา
ก็ที่ยูส่งมา
You mean what class?
อินสตาแกรม
In Instagram. Yeah. I was catfish. Catfish in ภาษาไทยแปลว่าอะไร Like a poser, like someone is using other photo. How to say? Okay. Hello, Asian.
Teacher.
Sorry, teacher. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about tongue twister. What is tongue twister? All together read. Phrase. Start. Start. Nickname. Start. Nickname. 20 คะแนน Lolen. Passive. Start. Nickname. How to. 50 points. Start. Nickname. Purinan. 50 points. Start. Nickname. Okay, start. Nickname. Start. Nickname. Start. Nickname. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit. Cheers. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good afternoon, class. Okay, please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about tongue twister. What is tongue twister? All together read. Especially. Example na. Six, hicks, nick, six, lick, bricks with picks and sticks. Okay, all together read. Activity 1, direction. What you are going to do today, you are going to remember and memorize a tongue twister below. Just choose and select one only. You are going to present it today. 50 points. Nickname? Prim. Yisip kanan. 20 points. Lolen. Start. Nickname? Sun. Samsip. Start. Nickname? Gan. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Sorry. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Like six hicks, mix 6 lick bricks with pigs and sticks. Start.
Sadly stand sadly on the street steps. Which fast goes when the dog in the wash. A big black dog on his big black nose. Short, how much food a wood shark, if a wood shark to shark wood.
Batty butter. Palas. Bush.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where are the pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? How many cookies would a good cook if a good cook could cook cookies? A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook.
Next.
If you must cross a cross,
Crowded.
a big black dog with a big black bear made a big black bear big blood.
Okay, start.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where are the pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Okay, nickname.
Bill.
Bill.
Yes.
20. Start.
How much wood would a bush shark shark if a bush shark could shark wood? He would shark he would as much as he could, and shark as much wood as a bush shark would if a bush shark could shark wood.
30. Friend, right? Friend. Asia. Start. Start.
How much wood would a bush shark shark if a bush shark could shark wood? He would shark he would as much as he could, and shark as much wood as a bush shark would if a bush shark could shark wood. Thank you.
Nickname. Okay, start.
Peter Piper.
Okay, start. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Ako matang gichatan. Di ka mo makapresent karon. Morning akong klase ato third period. Di ka mo makapresent karon. Bahala mo hain ng present. Ay di magsaka ta babaw. Bye, chair. Bye, Teacher Corn. Bye, Teacher Bye, Teacher Ming. Bye, Teacher Tay. Teacher Lontan. Teacher Fern.
Oh!
Teacher Fern, Teacher Tang mo, bye.